Hey guys, Nick from Fluidampr, and today we're getting to some more frequently asked questions. Today's question is, why should I steer clear of cheap Fluidampr imitations? Don't be fooled by the products that look like a fluid damper or advertise that they are fluid style dampers. A lot of times you'll see it's a fluid damper, but you need to make sure that you're looking for this logo specifically. The other ones are built inferior. They use a cheap material, a cheap silicone. Then they have different tolerances and everything. They're not built to the standards of a fluid damper. These other imitations are often, if not always, made overseas. All of our products are 100% sourced and built in USA, so you never have to worry about a substandard quality. You're always going to get the number one best you can get with a fluid damper. A lot of the imitations we've seen, we've actually inspected them and everything, and found that the fill level for the silicone is below a acceptable amount. So it's not going to perform the way you need it to perform. It's not going to act and give your engine the protection you need, and sometimes it could even harm it. The packaging that it comes in is a baggie, and it's just thrown together. It can cause damage in transit, and a big thing with these dampers, if you drop them, dent them, and you cause any way for the free-floating inertia ring inside, shown here in our cutaway, if this can't move, then the damper is not going to perform. So you got to really watch out for the imitations. When you're buying your damper, if you're looking specifically for the Fluidampr logo here, so you want to make sure that you see that, and you'll know that you're in good hands. So if you have any questions or anything you'd like to know about, shoot us an email, support@fluidampr.com, or you can give us a phone call and we'd be happy to answer them for you. So until next time, hope you guys are staying safe, and we'll see you guys soon.